7 Tips on how to clean your window grill. 1. Efficient brushing of your window grill. Before attempting to do any other cleaning routine on your window grill, it is often wise to remove the dust that might have accumulated on it. You can accomplish this by gently brushing them, which goes a long way in carrying out this function. 2. Take your time to wipe off any remaining grime. After effectively brushing the accumulated dust from your window grill, you can start lathering it with a relatively mild cleaning agent. A detergent solution is especially suitable. Take time to gently wipe its lattices with a clean cloth, preferably a cotton one. 3. Use a solution of water and vinegar as an alternative to caustic cleaning agents. An excellent alternative to using detrimental cleaning agents that can mar the appearance of your window grill is an equal mixture of water and vinegar. 4. Avoid using abrasives when cleaning your window grill. One of the most invaluable tips you could ever get when it comes to grill cleaning is at all costs avoid using abrasives in any attempt to eliminate stubborn stains or particles. 5. Avoid using chemicals when cleaning your window grill. Most people utilize chemicals when trying to clean window grills in the attempt to shorten this task, but this isn't right. Chemicals, no matter how mild you might deem them to be, can be very dangerous, especially if your window grill is crafted from metals such as iron that are very susceptible to rusting. 6. Use hot water to remove oily stains from your window grill. Hot water is an especially excellent cleaning agent when it comes to doing away with oily substances that are stuck on your window grill. You should soak a clean cloth in such water, and then gently wipe your grills until you've eliminated all stubborn and sticky grime that might have adhered to them. 7. Use sock gloves instead of clothes. When it comes to cleaning most kinds of window grills, it can be a good idea to use an old sock, preferably a cotton one, as an alternative to cloths.